Hey guys, it's Mike here. Welcome to Jimmy D's Guitar Lessons and Rock Talk. Today we're on the water. We're gonna hopefully catch some fish. Come along for the ride.
Hey everyone, we're in beautiful Lac Dubonnet, Manitoba. Just doing some walleye fishing, and I caught the first fish of the day. You need to use frozen minnows for life, and that's all I got life.
First fish of the day.
Woo!
Lac Dubonnet here. How we doing, Mike?
Oh, we're getting bites, but we got one in the boat. Oh, Chris just lost one, but yeah. So far so good. We just gotta get some results.
Got here, Mikey. Nice. That's Lac Dubonnet. Manitoba.
Oh no!
That's a big one.
Oh, just a jack. Just let it go. A jack. Just let it go.
Really? Oh, that's your eyeball.
Nice fish, Mikey.
There's the fucking jack. There's the jack that just spit it out. There's a big walleye. No, it's a smallmouth bass. It's a bass.
Are you
Smallmouth bass.
Look at that.
Looks pretty big for a small.
Here, bring it in.
Lac Dubonnet, Manitoba. Nice.
I'm on the ball.
How we doing, Mikey?
Pretty good.
Mikey's taking a break from fishing. All right, welcome everybody. Fishing, Lac Dubonnet, Manitoba. Mikey's slaying them today. Ray is struggling. And we got someone yelling up there. Captain Chris.
Ray's got one. Who's the net?
Yeah. Nice fish by Ray.
There we go. Look at that.
Nice,
Beautiful.
beautiful.
Slots on.
Very nice. All right, Mikey, what's next, buddy? How are we doing today for fishing?
Pretty solid all day so far. Only been out an hour. Probably got like, I don't know, 6 or 7 in the live well.
Right on.
Threw a couple ones back.
Cool.
Nice smallmouth bass, which was earlier.
Yeah. Good times.
Good day. Good people. Good times.
Captain Chris. Is anyone on the boat that hasn't caught a fish yet?
Do we keep repeating it?
Going, Sadie?
Jumping off.
We are back from fishing, hey Mike? What do you got to say?
What a beautiful day on the water.
Where are we, Mikey?
Lac Dubonnet, Winnipeg, Manitoba, Canada.
White spruce on the lake with Waterview Drive.
Hey guys, thanks for checking out today's video. If you're like many others and like watching just regular families having a good day on the water, make sure to like and subscribe. And thanks for Jimmy D for coming out today. Just gonna fill up the fish now. Kept 11 of them. Dropped.
Master filleter. Fill it wide. Master. It's called the Gods. The Master's cleaning fish. He's got a different style, different technique. Good job, Chris. Rinse and repeat. Hey folks, Jimmy D here. How was that? We had fishing with Mikey and friends out in Lac Dubonnet, Manitoba. I'd like to thank Mikey, Captain Chris, and everybody else that was involved in this video. We caught a lot of fish here in Lac Dubonnet, Manitoba. It's a great place to fish. If you want more videos like this, click like and subscribe and let me know, and we'll do some more videos. Remember, thanks and rock on.
Yeah.